Mastering Digital Exams. Ace the Digital Test. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression that's especially relevant in our digital age. Ace the Digital Test. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who loves learning new phrases, this video will unpack the meaning and use of this phrase, so you can start using it confidently in your English conversations. The phrase, ace the digital test, combines two key parts, ace and digital test. To ace something means to excel at it or do exceptionally well, often achieving the highest score or rank. A digital test, on the other hand, refers to any exam or assessment conducted online or through digital means rather than on paper. So, when you put them together, to ace the digital test means to perform outstandingly well on an online exam or digital assessment. In today's world, digital literacy is no longer optional, it's essential. This section explores why being proficient in digital platforms is crucial for acing digital tests. Digital literacy includes understanding how to use various technologies for learning, communication, and problem-solving. It's not just about knowing how to use software or browse the internet. It's about applying this knowledge effectively to succeed in digital exams and beyond. Achieving success in digital exams requires more than just understanding the subject matter. Here, we'll share some practical tips to help you prepare for and excel in any digital test. Familiarize yourself with the test format. Understand the types of questions and the technology used. Practice good time management. Keep track of the time and allocate it wisely to each question. Ensure a reliable internet connection. A stable connection is crucial to avoid any disruptions during the test. Use online resources. Take advantage of study guides, practice tests, and other resources available online to prepare. We hope this video has shed light on what it means to ace the digital test, and has provided you with valuable insights and strategies to excel in your digital assessments. Remember, success comes from preparation, practice, and a positive attitude towards learning. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your digital learning journey. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you in the next video.